Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to head out to the front yard and I hope you'll join me. We're going to be harvesting our Huckleberry Gold potatoes. These are potatoes that were ready for harvest about a couple months ago, but I've been putting off the harvest because I wanted to bring you along with me, so I hope you come along and let's see what kind of potatoes we get. Here's a recap of our Huckleberry Gold potato harvest. What I like about the Huckleberry Gold is that it grows well during the summer months, and it is our summer crop potato for Southern California. It can get quite warm, and as you can see, we can get a good harvest out of our effort. We have the potatoes in the bucket. They're round, and it looks like the color is more uniform as well. And that is because we grew them in a Ruth Stout method. And with this method, you lay the seed potato, pretty much on the surface or near the surface of the soil, and then you cover it with straw or hay as it grows, and the potato will grow towards the surface and into the hay with less resistance. They're round, whereas if you grow them in soil that is heavy like this clay here, they will get knobby. And the potatoes here, they look to be, we got some big ones, and I think that might be because by planting them deep, the soil temperature is more stable. So in the summer months, that stable temperature, cooler temperature, will help the potatoes get bigger. So it's always, when you look at things from a perspective of purpose, it's your pros and cons. So you gotta pick what you want. Do you want larger potatoes, but then they're a little bit knobby, a little bit harder to peel? Or do you want smaller, more uniform potatoes? So we have a third location that we grew the potatoes in, and here we got some semi-knobby ones as well, and that's because it's grown in soil that's between light and heavy. And with the potatoes, we grow them year round, and I hope to be able to bring you along as we plant our next round, which includes the russet Burbank potato. That's that light tan stereotypical potato that you see in this basket here. We also have the French fingerling, and that's that longer reddish one. And then the deep purple one, those are magic mollies. They have each of their own characteristics as far as productivity and readiness, as well as taste qualities. With magic mollies, it's denser, more earthier. Those are good for soups and stews and a novel potato salad. The French fingerlings, they saute up really nicely. And then the russet Burbank, that's your versatile potato. Great for baking, hash browns, mashed potatoes, and the like. So we try to grow as much of the russet as possible. And then the fingerling, those grow and produce more quickly. We get more successions out of them, so they're more pragmatic. And then the magic mollies, those are a very novel potato, and it also grows well during the summer months. So that is another one that we can rely on as a year-round potato. And when it comes to keeping a crop of potatoes, we have some that we set aside from our harvest so that they can chit, and that's when the potato sprouts like this. And when they chit, we put them in the ground to plant. And with potatoes, just as with the broccoli, we discovered that we can grow them year-round here in Southern California. So we can get a staple crop of potatoes and broccoli from our kitchen garden. And until next time, thank you for joining me out here as we harvested our potatoes, and I'll see you in the next video.